Assalamualaikum, my dearest indulgers. Welcome to the Ramadan cooking series. Inshallah, during this blessed month, I'll be sharing a number of my favorite dishes that my family and I enjoy during the month of Ramadan. Thank you for tuning in. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell to receive prompt notifications whenever I post a video. So today I'm coming at your screens with this chicken biryani recipe. Biryani is commonly enjoyed in Southern Asia, in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and it is also enjoyed in my household. There are a number of ways to prepare chicken biryani, but today I'm going to demonstrate my take on this dish. I hope you enjoy this recipe and add it to your Ramadan menus. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into this video. So to begin, the first thing we're going to do is soak our rice in some tap water. Once this rice is covered with water, we're going to put it aside until later on in the video when we're going to cook it. Next, I'm going to mince some garlic and ginger. Once that's done, I'm going to add a quarter cup of oil into a pot. Into that pot, I'm going to add my black cardamom, followed by my onions, which I'm going to sweat down and caramelize. Black cardamom can be found at your local Indian grocery store. It's very different in terms of flavour with the green cardamom that's commonly found. It's definitely worth looking for the black cardamom if you can get your hands on it. So once those onions are caramelized, I'm going to remove half of the caramelized onions and set it aside. Into the pot, I'm going to add my chilies and my minced ginger and garlic and continue to fry that down. Once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to add in my pieces of chicken. Next, I'm going to add in about a teaspoon more of oil, followed by my dry spices. I have some garam masala, some turmeric, some chili powder, some coriander powder, and some cumin. I also add some salt at this point. The chicken is seasoned and I'm going to reintroduce the caramelized onions that I took out earlier, followed by some fresh tomatoes. Allow the chicken and the tomatoes to cook down for 10 minutes before adding the yogurt. The yogurt is very, very important and gives the biryani that distinct taste. You can use some Greek yogurt or some curd if you have that available. Go ahead and allow the chicken to simmer for another 5 minutes after adding the yogurt. Once the liquid starts to come out, cover the curry and allow it to slow cook for 1 whole hour. Keep the heat on very, very low to medium heat to avoid burning and to ensure that all the flavors do their work and the chicken is soft and tender. Once your curry is ready, go ahead and prep your rice. So here I added a variety of spices to a pot full of water. These spices included some green cardamom, a bit of cinnamon bark, some cloves, and some caraway seeds. These spices boiled inside the water will make your rice fragrant and aromatic. After 15 minutes of boiling the rice, drain out the water and add the rice into your pot. What we're going to do is create layers of rice and curry over one another. We are going to create layers of flavor by placing rice on one layer, the curry on the next, so on and so forth. Because we pre-soaked and cooked the rice for 15 minutes, it will cook very quickly. Here I am sprinkling a little bit of water over this rice. If you're an West African, I am sure you have this technique down to the T. After adding my final layers of rice, I'm going to add a little bit of fresh coriander and about a tablespoon of butter. Once that's done, I'm going to cover this rice with some baking paper, followed by the lid, and allow it to cook on very low heat for 25 minutes. Our biryani rice is finally ready, and the steam is just giving off the most beautiful aroma. With this rice, we're going to make some mint yogurt. Here I have some fresh mint, garlic, and salt, which I have minced and added to fresh yogurt. This is optional, but I really do enjoy having biryani with some sort of chutney or yogurt. Mix in all these ingredients and gradually add in some water until you achieve the desired consistency. Ideally, you would like this yogurt to be smooth enough to drizzle over your rice without being too watery altogether. Now that the mint yogurt is ready, we are good to plate. Dish this rice as you so wish and enjoy this fragrant and delicious dish. I wish you all a wonderful iftar. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our qiyam and our siyam. Please remember me in your prayers just as I will remember you. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, we are so fortunate to be amongst those who have been chosen to fast this year. Many had the intention but did not make the cut. Alhamdulillah for our lives, our health, and our ability to fast. If you enjoyed this video and are keen to find more Ramadan inspired meals, head over to my channel and check out my Ramadan meals playlist to catch more Ramadan inspired videos. Until we meet again in the next video, have a wonderful iftar and an amazing month.